Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Hello everyone and welcome to the unboxing of the ELGATO Wave 1. It was released pretty recently. I believe I ordered it about a week ago, pretty much the day after it was released to the public. I was a little afraid about ordering from Corsair just because of COVID-19 and how that might affect shipping times, but it came about a week later. I ordered it on Friday of last week and it came today, Friday of this week. Today we're going to be unboxing it, as well as giving it a look and kind of a first impressions. We're going to give it a raw sound test, just so that you guys can see kind of what it sounds like right out of the box. No editing, just raw sound. Is that an excuse for me to have less editing after I'm done filming? What? What? Who would think that? Alright, let's open this up. It does have a couple of tape on the side. The box is so pretty. Ooh, open this up. Ooh, I didn't open it up all the way, did I? Oh wait, no, it's just this thing. Okay, hold up. Let's try that again. Ooh. 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 Oh. Ooh. I seem to be having trouble. Ooh. Alright, now let's actually open it up. Interesting. Wow. My voice cracked. Right out of the box, you'll see that you'll kind of get this. What is this? I believe it's the cables? Yeah, cables. Alright, cables to, you know, hook up your USB microphone, which is the ELGATO Wave 1. And then, underneath this is the beautiful, wrapped in plastic, but beautiful ELGATO Wave 1. You guys can't see it because it's wrapped in plastic, but I assure you, it's not a bicycle. Let's set this aside just for now, but let's see if there's anything underneath this. No. Let's get to unwrapping. This is an unboxing and an unwrapping. What? Two things in one video? Subscribe. Ooh. Oh my goodness. That is so sleek! This is gonna be a terrible unboxing video if there's only like two things. What was I thinking? Why did I want to do an unboxing for like two things? It's just the wire and the mic. The Wave 3 has a mute button at the top over here, where obviously you don't see it on the Wave 1 because to mute the mic, you just kind of tap the knob over here. This knob obviously is used to like kind of control the volume, alright? On the back, you'll see that it has a USB-C port as well as a, what is it called? 3.5mm headphone jack. I'll have B-roll just so that you guys can have a better look at it and not just kind of seeing a puny tiny hole on the mic. I should not be wearing this thing! Now, I did order it without the pop filter just because I heard that there's a pop filter built in inside of the microphone already. However, I will be trying to see if I can use my old pop filter. I don't think I can, but I will try to see if I can finagle it enough so that way I can use my old pop filter with this new mic. Inside the wire box is going to be, you know, pretty simple. Wires just to connect your the ELGATO Wave 1. We have pamphlet that I'm probably I'll read later. If you're watching this, read stuff, all right? In here is going to be why does it seem like I'm gonna get like a I thought I was gonna get like a scone from Starbucks or something. You'll get this that I cannot remember what it does right now, as well as a USB 3 to the USB-C type connection. Honestly, isn't it just so pretty? Okay, so this is kind of what it looks like when you've set it all up, when you've downloaded the Wavelink app on the ELGATO website. I've set the microphone about a foot away from me, from my mouth. You guys should be talking to the face of the microphone, not the top of it, not the bottom of it, obviously. So this is kind of what it sounds like when I'm talking regularly, when I'm just kind of, you know, if I'm talking with my friends on some online video call and I'm like, hey, dude, yo, you got a haircut. This is kind of what I would sound like if I just kind of talk a little softer. Maybe I'm really shy in answering a question from my professor on a Zoom call for UCI. Maybe I just don't want to talk super loudly. Maybe talking loudly is just not my thing. This is kind of what it would sound like if I just spoke softly. And if I'm a rager, if I just kind of I just died some BS kill from Fortnite or Apex Legends or Overwatch or whatever you guys play and I'm heated. That's kind of what it would sound like. I will note that I put the gain at around 25%. 20 to 30% I think is like the good range. I think anything more, you might get, you know, a little bit too much. Maybe there's like more distortion that kind of comes in. Personally, I think 25% gain is around what I personally like at my microphone level. The Wave microphones do have a sort of built-in distortion control where even if you're, you know, yelling and screaming and, you know, raging and all that kind of good stuff, typically it'll do its best to not distort your audio. It'll just kind of bring it just a tad bit down just so that it's not destroying your stream's ears. It's not, you know, destroying your own ears if you're listening to your own voice. But yeah, that is all I have for you guys today. If you guys did like the video, why not leave me a like, a comment, and subscribe? I usually don't do these types of videos. If you watch my channel, I usually just post gaming videos, but I got a new microphone. I absolutely love it. I love the software that it comes with. If you guys don't know how it works, don't ask me. Honestly, I'm kind of learning as well. If you guys are here for the first time, this background, this overexposed background with all the natural light coming in, I'm complaining about natural light, yeah. That's not what it's usually gonna look like. I usually have it more dark. I usually record more at night with more lights in the background, and it's just different. It's just, this is not me, okay? No. And before I end this video off, guys, I did want to mention that we finally hit 200 subscribers, and I know that's not a lot for a lot of people. That's like, you know, like, I get 200 subscribers in like an hour, Dustin. Why is that so special? As a small YouTuber, where I recently started about a little less than a year ago, hitting 200 subscribers is honestly something that I kind of thought I would hit much later on, much further down the line. To be honest, I didn't really know if anyone would really want to watch me. You know what I'm saying? Small YouTubers, you guys get it, right? You guys know what I'm talking about. But yeah, I just wanted to say thank you to everyone here. Those of you who have stayed from the beginning, those who have come more recently, I appreciate every single one of you guys, and I hope you guys will continue to watch my videos. I probably won't have more tech stuff because I'm not a super techie person. You probably don't want to hear tech stuff from me. I'll just be like, oh, the engine of the microphone. See, it connects to the hydraulics of your laptop, which then splits off into the motherboard of your water cup. Yeah, but that's it for today, you guys. I will see you guys in the next video with my new microphone. I'll have better edited audio, okay? So this is raw, unfiltered content, yeah? Or sound, not content. In the videos to come, I will obviously edit them to make them sound a little bit better. But yeah, I will see you guys in the next video. Okay, bye-bye. Take care.